It was the best pie I'd ever eaten. And you know what? I had two other people in the home that said it was the best pie they've ever eaten. And there was only like one, two, three. There's only like a handful of ingredients in there. So, if you need a pie recipe, go to the channel, have a look at the pie recipe. It's actually the recipe's not there, but I'll tell you what's in it. In that show, right? And it was like it was out of this world. It was just like it was mad. Okay, so we've started with chicken soup, right? For me, it was the best chicken soup I've ever had. Same goes for the people in this house. They said it was the best chicken soup. I've made a lot of soups in my time, and to be quite honest, most of them have been shit. So, for me to say that was the best chicken soup means that